up, guys? My name is Vinamar Mishra, and you are watching the Sesta Game Show Season 2. Yes, it's Season 2, and it feels, I don't know, still weird to say Season 2, but just Season 2. And for today's episode, I'm sure you guys must have seen the thumbnail, which is why you're watching it. But still, let me build up a little suspense. Still, for today's episode, I've got two hot guys who drool. Actually, they don't drool, they make others drool. Both of them have been super successful with respect to their careers. I have on one side Gary Liu, who is in the current season of Splitsvilla and was also a part of a reality show, Phone Swap. And then on the other side, I have with me actor, dancer, and a lot of a heartthrob on television, Karan Khanna. And welcome to the Sasta Game Show first and foremost.
Hi, guys.
Thank you.
So I want to say, Karan, you were, I think, in the 9th season of Splitsvilla, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
You were in the 9th season, but and you obviously got super famous post the show because it was a massive hit and stuff like that. But I know Karan because of a show that he did way before, which was Just Dance. In fact, I was very young back then, and I was a huge fan of Karan. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even buttering you up, Karan. I think.
Oh, really?
I was a follower of the show. I used to watch that show. In fact, till date, the one best memory that I have from the show is your dance performance that you did with Sushant, the late Sushant Singh Rajput.
Oh, yeah.
You did on Kamine song, I remember. And since then, I love that song. And I loved the entire routine. It still gives me goosebumps. Do you want to talk about it?
I think that was one of my performances, which was like very, very plain, very simple, and it was just very dance based and very story based. Or actually, it was a celebrity episode. So I was doing it with Sushant, and I was lucky that I got Sushant with me because Sushant himself was a very trained dancer, and more than trained dancer, he was very. Everyone knew he was very hardworking, and he loved dancing, and more than that, उसके अंदर वो fire था. That competitive fire was always there in him, and उसको ऐसा था कि नहीं, I'm doing it with this guy, and I want him to win. So that fire, that competitive fire was there in. अभी भी है, मेरे में भी है, लेकिन उस टाइम पे ऐसा था कि he was already a star then, like पवित्र रिश्ता से सुशांत was like हर घर का हीरो था यार. सुशांत was like that. तो उसको ऐसा होना चाहिए ना. बहुत लोगों को ऐसा होता है कि यार this is fine, हाँ मैं stardom. ऐसा नहीं था because it was a couple act and because it was a celebrity act, he actually helped me win that act, and we actually got a standing ovation from Farah ma'am, and because that actually made us go a level up in the show as well, because it was plain dancing, only story, only contemporary, and being a TV actor and I was a contestant, they all loved it. So that was Sushant, and that was Sushant there. I mean, we all miss him.
We all do. In fact, it's going to be a year, I think, on the 14th, if I'm not wrong. What do you have any fond memories? Anything particular of him that that always used to bring back?
Me and Sushant, we were in the same gym, so we didn't ever like work out together. But workout sessions ke baad we used to sit, talk, chit chat. And before he could sign more than 20 movies, he was sitting with me one day, and हम लोग coffee पी रहे थे, and he was like, यार, I'm like, क्या हुआ? I just finished my workout, I came, sat next to him, what's happening, And he was becoming a star, he was growing, he was a rising star. तो थोड़ा आदमी curious होता है, मैं बोला बता यार, कुछ तो बता, what's happening in your life, So he was like, यार, मेरे पास अभी घर पे कम से कम 25 मूवी की scripts पड़ी है, and I really don't know which one to sign. तो वो इतना popular हो गया था that उसके पास scripts इतनी आती थी, लेकिन उसके पास time नहीं होता था पढ़ने का.
Wow.
So he had become that popular then, but he was still very grounded. मतलब it wasn't like कि वो अकेले कोई एक separate gym में आता था या कोई separate timing पे जाता था. He was very grounded. और सुशांत का ये हुआ, and I think for a week I couldn't feel anything. मतलब वो gullible भी नहीं था, and पता नहीं एक week तक तो I couldn't feel it. And मैं जब घर पे जाता था, and my mom used to feel more than me, because mom dad भी आते थे show के time पे, and they knew Sushant that way. Dad और मैं साथ में gym में workout करते थे, तब सुशांत मिलता था. So they were even, मतलब मम्मी को तो ऐसा हो गया था कि उनका खुद का बेटा होता ना, तो ये घर कैसे
Yeah,
मैं
I
बताऊं
know.
आपको, मैं समझा नहीं
Yeah.
सकता. It was that bad. And जब एक आध वीक हो गया ना, उसके बाद मुझे it actually hit me. तब मुझे अब shit सुशांत नहीं यार.
Yeah.
Fuck, not there.
I can actually relate to that because I've just met him twice and both the times वो interview बीच की रहा है. And but whatever conversations I've had with him, that's great. Guys, it's going to be an ex-Splitsvilla versus a current Splitsvilla. It's going to be a war. Are you guys ready for it?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
just give me a minute.
That's a good way to start this show, guys. I'm excited. So the first round is very simple. The first round is called Sir Sawal No Jawab. That's the first round. What is it exactly? Let me tell you the rules. So the round is very simple. I'm going to give you guys a situation, a location. आप दोनों उस situation location में होगे. You guys can only ask each other questions. आप सिर्फ questions में एक दूसरे से बातें कर सकते हो. आप जवाब नहीं दे सकते. Make sense?
All right.
Interesting. Okay, guys, get ready for round number 1, which is called Sirf Jawab No Sawal. Sorry, it's called Sirf Sawal No Jawab. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, your first location. You guys, the two of you are in a bathroom. Go ahead. It's all yours.
Gary, what is the first thing you're going to do in the bathroom?
आपने टट्टी क्यों नहीं फ्लश करी अपनी?
आपने ब्रश क्यों नहीं किया?
फेस वॉश कौन सा यूज करते हो आप?
Nice, Gary.
यार डैंड्रफ इतना क्यों दिख रहा है?
ये ट्रिमर कौन साफ करेगा?
यार वो शेविंग फोम का है.
Did I get 1 point?
Done. Yeah, you get 1 point because it's yaar आ गया ना, little yaar आ गया ना. Next location is, well, let's put it, it's gonna be easier for you. It's Splitsvilla. Go ahead.
How many girls did you date?
0. अबे यार.
Gary, go.
अबे यार. अबे यार.
Nice. I like it.
My bad, yaar. My bad.
I like it. Lovely, Karan. Smart move. Okay, back to the game. Last round, last location that I'm giving. Actually, I'm giving you a situation and the location. It is in your girlfriend's bedroom. In your girlfriend's bedroom.
Would you strip her first or would you kiss her first?
ये टेडी बेयर आपका है?
वो पिलो पे क्या है?
Okay, nice.
ये चादर क्यों नहीं साफ करी आपने कल से?
शीशे में कौन देखता है यार पूरा दिन?
मेरा मन था बोलूं, मैं तो नहीं देखता, ऐसे बोलने का मन था, मैंने कहा अबे यार. Nice one.
That is nice one, guys. Okay, so that was round 1, guys. Gary, you can win the next round because the next round has more points. Or the next round is called Detective. Be a little excited, guys. Just be like, yay! Detective.
Come again?
It's called Detective.
Okay, Detective.
I like Gary, your enthusiasm. I'm going to give you 1 point just for that enthusiasm.
Oh, wow.
See,
wow.
So this game is very simple. It's basically 2 truths and a lie, but I've just changed the name and called it Detective because I wanted to sound fancy. Okay. Why is it called Detective? Because the other person can be a detective and ask the person a question. Okay, so you can interrogate the person and then tell कौन सा झूठ है and कौन सा सच है. Make sense?
अच्छा. Okay.
ठीक है. So let's play round number 2 called Detective. And who's gonna go first? So Karan, will start with you.
Okay.
Okay.
I love sports bike. I love driving all the way if I'm going for a drive from Bombay to say Delhi. I would love to drive. I'm very disloyal to my friends.
This is like even I can tell.
Last वाला झूठ है मुझे लगता है.
हाँ?
Last वाला झूठ है, मेरा आंसर ये. Last वाला झूठ है ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
चलो हाँ.
Yeah, it was very obvious. Easy. Yeah, very easy. You should have given something which was like a little difficult. But anyway, it's Gary's turn. गैरी आप बोलो,
Yeah.
आप अपने
ठीक है।
3 चीजें।
तो भैया पहला है, ठीक है, अब आपको गेस करना है, ठीक है।
हाँ जी।
पहला है मैं नंगा सोता हूँ। दूसरा है स्प्लिट्सविला में मैंने 2 लड़कियों को किस करा। तीसरा है मैंने 1 साल से सेक्स नहीं किया है। तो आप गेस कर लो अब।
वाह, दैट्स
ये
सम
अच्छा
रियली इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग।
अच्छा, पहला है मैं नंगा सोता हूँ।
यू कैन आस्क हिम क्वेश्चंस, हां करण। आई थिंक आई नो द आंसर दो, मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि आई नो द आंसर।
स्प्लिट्सविला में इसने तो किसी को डेट नहीं किया है, सो दैट्स अ लाई, यू नॉट किस्ड एनीवन, राइट?
So that is your final answer, Karan? Second one? That you haven't
एक
kissed
सेकंड,
two.
झूठ नहीं, एक सेकंड, झूठ है जो इसने 1 साल से सेक्स नहीं किया है।
Do you want to change your
अच्छा,
answer,
नहीं।
Karan? Do you want to
Do
change?
you-
Wait. Do you want to change
एक
your
मैंने
answer? Gary's playing smart, huh? Nice, nice.
हाँ,
nice
ये
one.
अच्छा था,
Nice
अच्छा
one.
किया है।
Yeah.
Okay, you've not kissed anyone on Splitsvilla.
Okay, that's your final answer. Gary, tell
Final
me.
answer. Let's see.
हाँ, तो झूठ है कि मैं नंगा नहीं सोता भैया, और बाकी तो सच है।
अच्छा।
Okay, that's nice, Gary. But I would have thought कि आपने kiss नहीं करा. Because I don't know why I feel that आप नंगे सोते रहोगे. Just
अबे
लगता है कि नहीं लगता है.
नहीं
Okay,
नहीं,
guys.
कपड़े के लिए मेरे को अजीब लगता है नंगा सोने में, तो मैं सो नहीं पाता। लेट्स मूव ऑन।
Okay, tell me, in each of your respective season, who in the season of Splitsvilla, of course, who is the one person you were like you liked the most, and who is the one person you disliked the most, and the one person you hated, like you couldn't even think of jelly? Who was that person for each one of you?
Start with me. All right.
He's like waiting for it कि मेरे को दिल की भड़ास निकालनी है बस. Go ahead, guys.
Yeah. So the guy I liked in क्या बोलते हैं, the package guy was in our show was Shivam Sharma. It's a full entertainment package, full शायरी and all, मतलब ना. He knows every camera angles, he knows everything कि क्या footage में आएगा. All right. The person I disliked was my partner, that was Avantika, because मतलब हमारा इतना बैठता नहीं, compatible नहीं बैठता. And the third one I hated like, but was Vimesh, because he played very selfish, very selfish, and yeah, and that was it.
One of the guys was Gurmeet. Gurmeet अच्छा था. I mean, he actually played fair, and और एक दूसरा था, उसका नाम भी करण था. So ये जो दूसरा लड़का था, ये मेरे साथ में ही था, and but then I started disliking him because then he started playing game for the TV. So I hated my connection initially. Mayuri.
Wow. So good to know, guys. We'll get back to the game, we'll get back to our third round and the final round. Okay, it is a round. It's a battle of cheesiest pickup lines. So, guys, we are quickly moving to our third round, which is the cheesiest pickup lines. What is going to happen is I'm going to give you guys a word. आपको वो word को use करके एक pickup line बनाना है. Very simple. Very easy. Just remember, you're trying to impress me. I mean, I'm the one who's going to give you points. So, जितनी cheesy होगी pickup lines, उतने आपको points मिलेंगे. Okay. So I'll just give you a format. So let's say the word is Corona. Okay. If the word is Corona, I'll be like, hey Gary, are you Corona? Because I want you in my throat. Did you guys not get it? What?
No. Of course. Yeah.
Yeah. So, nasty, cheesy pickup lines. Okay? Guys, the first word is orange. Orange.
Hey, would you be my orange? I would love to peel you all day.
Ooh. Nice.
Hey, would you be my orange? I would suck the vitamin C out of you throughout the day because it's Corona.
Whoa. Karan?
Hey, mera chand. Hey, would you like to be my orange? Because I would love to squeeze that juice and drink.
Nice. Not bad. Hey, would you be my orange? Because I want to put my finger in you. Forget it. Okay, cool. Forget it. Chalo, theek hai. Next I'll give you is chewing gum. Yep.
Hey, would you be my chewing gum so that I can have a jawline like Gary?
Ooh. Gary, everyone's behind your jawline. there should be a video coming out soon. 10
Hello?
ways to get such jawline.
Hey, do you have a chewing gum? Because I would love to freshen up my mouth to kiss you.
Sweet. It's sweet. The
Say that,
last
I
one
agree.
is charger. A charger.
Charger.
Yes.
Would you be my charger so that I feel active throughout the day?
Oh,
Forever.
wow.
Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad, Karan. Going really strong. Going really. Gary, do you want to give it a try?
Hey, would you be my charger in the morning, because you can charge me up in the bathroom?
I don't know how she'll charge you.
You know, it's
Yeah.
morning, and what like foreign people do in morning is like they charge up.
Not
to
just
charge you in
foreign
the
people. हाँ,
bathroom.
मतलब देसी लोग तो कर ही नहीं सकते ना सुबह सुबह. मतलब
ठीक है, देसी लोग भी कर सकते हैं, पर फॉरेन में मूवीज में मैं ज्यादा बाहर देखता हूँ ना, ऐसा हिंदी मूवीज में देखा नहीं है.
oh look at this Firang being like मैं तो हिंदी movies देखता ही भी हूँ. Very nice, Gary. I like that pose, Gary. I'll give you 5 points just for that pose. Because that's a very nice.
Thank you.
As I said, I can give you random points. It doesn't really matter. So yeah, I have the score with me. And who do you guys think who's gonna win?
I think Karan Bhaiya.
Guys, like of course me. But you know, guys, it was quite a tough fight. I'm not gonna lie. And
गिफ्ट क्या मिल रहा है यार, विनय उस पे डिपेंड करता है. गिफ्ट क्या मिल रहा है?
Karan, the gift is मेरी friendship. My
Aye.
heart and my friendship is what you get. So it is indeed a tie. I'm not even making this up. It's legit here. It's a score. That's what the scores say. It's a tie because Gary did
Hello, Karan bhai.
the first one.
High five, Karan bhai.
Hey, but that's
Yeah.
not how it's gonna work. I'm not gonna leave it on a high-fi note. I'm gonna have a tiebreaker. So it's gonna be a very quick
Oh.
tiebreaker. बहुत simple होने वाला है. All you guys have to do is I'm gonna name a category. ठीक है? मैं आपको एक category name करूंगा. आपको वो circuit on रखना. आपको उस category में से चीजें बोलते जाना है. Are we ready for it? So it's time for the tiebreaker.
Ready.
And guys, the tiebreaker, the category is you have to name the characters from the popular TV show Friends. So we'll start
Zoe.
with Karan.
देखा ही नहीं है यार, देखा ही नहीं है, पक हो गया.
ये
एक भी नहीं पता मुझे.
मेरे को भी एक ही नाम याद था. एक अगर तू बोल देता ना तो मैं फंस जाता था. मुझे एक ही याद था.
Gary, this is a defeat, so I think we have a clear-cut winner. It is Karan Chadda. Karan, congratulations.
अब मुझे तेरा दिल मिल रहा है विनय.
But thank you so much, guys, for being a part of the show. It was really lovely to host both of you.
Thank you
Alright,
विनय. It
then,
was
yeah,
actually a
check
nice
you out.
session यार. अच्छा लग रहा है, थोड़ा free लग रहा है.
Nah, I'm so
हाँ,
glad.
मस्त लग रहा है
Thank you
मुझे.
so much. It means a lot,
Thank
guys.
you, Vinay,
Thank you
for
so
having
much for
me.
being a part of it. And for those who are watching this show, thank you so much for watching this episode. Like, share, subscribe, whatever. I don't know, whatever you guys want to do. Just make sure that you love someone. Make sure that you keep spreading positive vibes, man. That's it.